introducing to you this beautiful song, Burungi Butoonya. It's a song that I released some time back, and it's been playing. I think it is one of the greatest love ballads that Tooro Land has ever enjoyed. It is a song about a beautiful bride. Burungi Butoonya means beauty that is exceeding.
I will sing a song just to tell the world of you, how beautiful you are. Leka nsetule, leka nyanjule, nkugize omulungi. This is for you. It's a special song for a special lady. You are for real beautiful.
It talks about the beautiful ladies of Tooro, and you know that they are Tooro ladies are really beautiful. It is a song that is important for a wedding, for an introduction, for a giveaway ceremony, and you know, at one point it is necessary for a man to tell a lady that I love you.
You are the brightest star among the beauties. You are the only fountain.